Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Candy Crush account with Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Candy Crush Saga account with Facebook, firstly go ahead and open your Candy Crush application. Accept the terms and conditions of Candy Crush by tapping on Accept. The home page of Candy Crush Saga will appear on the screen. Click on Complete Before option. You can continue logging in with your email or Facebook as well. Now to log into your Candy Crush account with your Facebook, tap on Continue with Facebook option. On the next page, tap on Continue as, and that is how you will be able to log into your Candy Crush account with Facebook quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.